I'm Ben Avey, Vice President of Global Product Design, Research and Development here at Carhartt. We are at Carhartt World Headquarters in Metro Detroit at the Global Product Center of Excellence, which is our new building for creativity, design, and development. We had a wonderful day with the Merit and Fate group working on their concepts for their product launch that'll be coming up at the end of this year. We worked on some consumer visioning, we worked on product ideas, we worked on concepts, and we've had a wonderful day of creativity and inspiration here with their program.
What an amazing day we had here at Carhartt. We are always honored and privileged to partner with companies that have so much history. A lot of people don't even know that Carhartt has been around Detroit and around Dearborn for over 100 years. So to be able to expose our young people to that type of heritage and history was just amazing. And then for Carhartt to take our students through their own design process, our kids really excelled making their own collections in the morning, and then they had to think about merit collections. And what we're trying to get our students to understand is that they can create their future. God has blessed them with creative ability, creative ideas, wisdom, witty ideas, and within them, they have the power to create Detroit, to create their communities, to create their families. And so days like this are just amazing for us to reinforce that idea that our students are the future and they are creators.
Personally, I took away, this is like something that I actually want to do. To me, it came naturally that I can think outside the box.
I really liked today's activity. It inspired me. It showed me that I'm not only designing for myself, I'm designing for others.
Today, I hope that the kids took away an understanding of there is so much that you can do with a creative career and a creative education. You can be a designer, you can be a merchandiser, you can do anything that you want, but having a creative mind and being able to make things and to be able to express your ideas visually is an incredibly important tool.